Hello student and welcome you again to the class 1. How are you student? I hope you all are good and safe at home. So student, we are learning our subject maths and we are continuing with our chapter number 4 subtraction up to 9. In previous video we have completed our chapter 4 subtraction up to 9. In this video we are going to see the revision exercise of this chapter. Okay. So for that student you have to open textbook page number 51. Here is the revision exercise given. So for that read the first exercise. Count and write the numbers in the boxes. Subtract to tell how many are left. One has been done for you. So one has been already done for you. You have to solve the next. See first how many apples were there? 7 apples were there. So the number 7 is written in the box. Among them 4 apples were eaten. So the number 4 is written there. Now what they did? 7 minus 4. We got the subtraction 7 minus 4. So when we subtract 4 from the 7, count after 4 up to 7, 5, 6 and 7. The answer is 3. How many fingers are there? 3. So write down the answer 3. It is already written. Now we will see the next example. Count how many apples are there? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 apples. So you will write the number 6 in the box. You have to write in your textbook. I am writing here. You have to copy down in textbook. Now among these 6 apples, how many apples are eaten? 2. 1, 2. So write down the number 2 there. Yes. Now what we can do? We can cross the apples or count from the lower number to the bigger number. So first we will count 2 apples. Yes. Cross 2 apples. 1 and 2. Now how many apples are remain? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write down the answer 4 in the box. Yes. So you can say that 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. You can use the another method also. Count after 2 up to 6. It is 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many fingers are there? 4 fingers. So our answer is 4. Now see the next one. Count how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 apples given in the picture. So the number 8 you will write in the box. Now how many of them eaten? Only 2. So you will write the number 2 in the another box. Now here is the subtraction given 8 minus 2. So what will you do? You will count after 2 up to 8. Count after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Count how many fingers are there? Yes, there are 6 fingers. So our answer is 6. Write down 6 in the box. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now see the next one. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So write down the number 7. Now among these 7, how many are eaten? 2. So write down the number 2 in the box. Yes. Again you have to follow the same method. Count after 2 up to 7. Count from the lower number till bigger number. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many fingers are there? 5 fingers. So our answer is 5. Write down 5. Student, you have to copy down your textbook. Now see the next one. Count how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So write down the number 9 in the box. Among 9, how many apples are eaten? Only 2. So write down the number 2 in the another box. Now here we got the subtraction 9 minus 2. Now again you have to follow the same method. After 2 you have to count till 9. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many fingers are there? Yes, 7 fingers. So write down the answer 7 in the box. Yes. Now how will you read it, beta? 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Now see the last example. How many apples are there? 5 apples. So write down the number 5 in the box. Very good. Now among these 5, how many apples are written? 1, 2 and 3. So write down the number 3 in the box. So write down the number 3 in the box. When we subtract 3 from the 5, how many remain? Yes, 2. So our answer is 2. So student, you understand how to count numbers and write the subtraction in the box and how to subtract. Okay. Now we will move to our next exercise. Okay, question number 2. Subtract the following. Now here you have to subtract numbers. Okay, 6 minus 1. Now student, in addition I told you one trick that when we add 1 to any number, you will get the answer after number of that number. But when you subtract 1 from any number, you will get the answer before number of that number. Now here is given 6 minus 1. So we are subtracting 1 from the 6. So what is the before number of 6? Yes, it is 5. So our answer is 5. Yes, remember always when we subtract 1 from any number, we get the answer before number of that number. Okay. And when we add 1 to any number, we will get the answer after number of that number. Now see the next example, 8 minus 2. Yes, 8 is a bigger number, 2 is a smaller number. So what will we do? We will start from the lower number 2 and count till upper number 8. Count after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many fingers are there? 1 and this 5 equal to 6. So our answer is 6. So write down 6 in the box. Yes. Now the next example, 7 minus 3. Now count from lower number 3 to the 7. Okay. Count from 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many fingers are there? 4 fingers. So our answer is 4. So write down the answer in box. You have to copy down all answers in your textbook. Okay. Now see 3 minus 3. Yes, we learned that when we subtract the number from itself or same number, yes, we will get the answer 0. What answer you will get? 0. So we are subtracting 3 from itself 3. Yes. So answer is 0. So write down the answer 0. Now see the next example, 5 minus 4. Again we will follow the same method. Count from lower number to the upper number. Count from 2 up to 5. After 4, 5. Only one finger is there. So our answer is 1. So write down the answer. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Where you are copy down these answers? Yes, in your textbook itself. Now the next example and last example is 8 minus 0. Now you know the rule that when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the answer number itself. Yes. So when we subtract 0 from 8, we will get the answer number itself, that is 8. So write down the answer 8 in the box. Yes. And how will you read it? 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Now student, you have to turn out your textbook page. Yes. Now page number 52. Yes. The third exercise is given, or third question, find the difference. Now find the difference. What is mean by difference? Difference means the answer we get after subtracting the numbers. Okay, after subtraction the answer that we get or is called difference. Yes. And what is the answer of addition is called? When we add two numbers and get the answer, we called it as a sum, and when we subtract the numbers and answer, we called it as a difference. So find the difference means you have to subtract this numbers. Okay, here the numbers are, or the subtraction is given vertically. Okay, so first subtraction, 7 minus 0. So what is your method or what is your rule? When we subtract 0 from any number, the answer you get is a number itself. Means 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. So write down the 7 in the box. Very good. Now 6 minus 5. So here we are going to follow the method, count from lower number 5 up to bigger number or upper number 6. Okay. After 5, 6. Only one finger is there. So write down the answer 1. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Now see the next example. 4 minus 2. Okay. So count from lower number 2 up to 4. After 2, 3 and 4. Only 2 fingers are there, means your answer is 2. So write down the answer in the box. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now see the next example. 5 minus 3. Yes. So again follow the same method, count from 3 up to 5. Count from lower number to the upper number. Start from 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many fingers are there? Only 3 fingers are there. Sorry, count after 3 up to 5. After 3, 4 and 5. How many fingers are there? There are only 2 fingers, means your answer is 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now see the next one. It is 8 minus 1. Now in this video only I told you the trick. When you subtract 1 from any number, you will get the answer. Yes, before number of that number. So what is the before number of 8? It is 7. So write down the answer 7. Yes. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So student, you understand? Yes. How to subtract vertically also. How to count and write the numbers and subtract. How to count, use the method. Start from the lower number and count up to upper number. Yes. Now here are some examples given that are your PH. You have to solve these examples as your PH. 9 minus 5, 6 minus 2, 7 minus 5, 9 minus 0 and 2 minus 2. You have to solve this PH in your textbook itself. Okay. Now student, below this exercise there is a activity given. Yes, activity time. Subtract and match with the correct flower. One has been done for you. Now what you have to do, some subtractions are given. Yes, and some flowers are given with some numbers. These are the answer of this subtraction. So what you have to do, you have to subtract this number. Like here 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So it is matched with the number 5. Yes, flower 5. So you have to solve this activity in your textbook. Yes, you have to subtract the numbers and match them with the flowers with the correct answer. So can you do it? Yes, you can surely. So student, I hope you understand the subtraction, how to subtract vertically and using different methods very well. So solve the PH, go through the book. Yes, it is your PH. So solve the PH and go through the book and practice it. Till then student, bye. Have a nice day.